Ever sit down to watch TV and flip through channels like your life depends on it? Click. Boring. Click. Seen it. Click. Ooh. What's this? That moment? That's what we're talking about today. Because your brand, your bio, your marketing, it's just like a TV show. If you don't hook people in the first few seconds, guess what? Click. They're gone. Most people are making the biggest mistake with the personal brand. They start weak. Your bio, weak. Your content, weak. Your first impression, weak. It's like a show called Generic Business Owner, the series. Who's tuning in for that? So, if your brand were a TV show, would anyone binge watch it? Or would they rather watch paint dry on HD TV? You need a headline that stops people cold, just like a great TV show title. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to write one. And yes, I'm stealing every trick I learned from over 20 years of making hit television shows. So let's go back to that hook framework. And by the way, at the end of the video, I'm going to tell you how to get the hook framework right into your mailbox. Step one of my hook framework is headline first. This is where the magic starts. And if you get this wrong, nothing else matters. You could be the greatest business owner, the greatest coach, the greatest real estate agent of all time. But if your headline is John Smith, Realtor, buddy, we got a problem. You know, Survivor wasn't called People on an Island. Intervention wasn't helping people with problems. And 60 Days In wasn't regular folks go to jail for some reason. A great headline makes people lean in. It sparks curiosity, makes a promise, or hits an emotional trigger. So here are 3 rules for a great headline. Rule number 1, be bold. No generic titles. Here's a bad headline. I help people get fit. Well, here's a good one. I turn busy parents into fat-burning machines. I mean, I'm leaning into that one. And rule number 2, use your $2 bill factor. What makes you different? Bad. Marketing coach. Good. The Hollywood storyteller who builds 6 or 7, maybe 8-figure brands. And rule number 3, you have to spark curiosity. Make them need to know more. Bad. I sell houses. Good. I turn fixer-uppers into dream homes in 24 hours or less. Oh, hey, 24-hour flip. Love you guys. Let me tell you about the dumbest show title I ever pitched. Ready for it? Come a little closer. Back in my TV exec days, we had a show that you may have heard where normal people went to jail undercover. The idea, insane. The hook, strong. And we called it, at least the working title, Jail, the reality series. Yep, real creative. Guess what? No, not gonna do it. So then we thought hard about the title. We changed it to 60 Days In. Suddenly, people were leaning in. Wait. 60 Days In where? Who's in there? Why would anyone do this? Boom. That is the power of a great headline. Now your turn. Look at your bio, your LinkedIn headline, your Instagram tagline. Does it hook? Or does it bore people to death? If you're not sure, I've got something for you. I've got a free checklist. 10 questions to find your hook and make your brand unforgettable. You can grab it now. Here's a link. You'll find it below. And guess what? That checklist, it's also going to get you on the wait list for my You Unscripted program. So you can finally craft a brand that stands out. So drop a comment below. What's your current headline? Let's all make it better. Remember, your audience always has the same power as this remote. Just click away. But when you have a hook, when you start with a killer headline, they put the remote down and they watch. See you in the next video.